What's up, guys? Coming back to you with 11.4 part 2. In this section we are looking to find the volume of a cylinder. Pretty straightforward. As with the prism, the equation, the general equation is exactly the same, where you have the volume equaling the big base, or the volume of the base, times the height. However, in this particular case, because it is a cylinder, it'll always be pi r squared, because the base is always going to be a circle. So super simple stuff here. All we're going to do is we're going to take this cylinder and we're going to find the volume of that. Like I said, that's our pi r squared. Once we find the area of that, then we're going to multiply that by the height, and we are good to go. We have our volume. So let's take a look at one question here. Let's find the volume of this guy. So we'll just keep it super simple. So first of all, what do? First thing is, write the equation. So volume equals the big base times the height. If you wanted to write pi r squared first, I'm totally cool with that. So pi r squared for the base times the height. And then we have, let's see, pi r squared, that's going to be 3 squared times 8. Now take a look. I'm going to just kind of do this for you guys here. That's 9 times 8. So if we were answering in terms of pi, we have ourselves 72 pi. And again, since we're finding volume, it's centimeters. Whoop, I knew that. Centimeters cubed. And that's it. Pretty straightforward stuff. Not really a big deal. Notice if we have something like that that's slanted, it's still the exact same equation. I won't get into it, but that's definitely the same equation. I guess if we can talk about these for just a little bit, I won't get into too much, but just the composite figures, all that means is we are taking a couple figures and we're smashing them together, right? And then what we need to do is unsmash them and figure out what are we working with. So in this particular example, right, we're going to take this volume of a prism, and we're going to take this volume of a cylinder, but we're going to cut that in half and basically add them together. So use the same equations, guys. Just kind of piece it together. Shouldn't be a big deal. Alrighty. That's it. Maybe if I get any questions, I will do an example problem from down below. But as for now, that is all for 11.4. Take care.